All right, so scheduling, if you've gone through settings, make sure if you haven't gone through settings that you've done that first. Otherwise, we're going to land here to the scheduling page. There's basically three breakouts right now for scheduling. Again, this is for staff use only. There isn't a specific client facing application available just yet, or that's in the works. But I'm going to orient you here to the initial scheduling screen. So we have our scheduling overview. In the scheduling overview, you'll get a list of your sessions, so your training sessions for today. You can look back at previous day, you can look back at the previous week, and then you can also look forward to see who's in there. And well, as we build on this, you'll start to see sessions going in. You'll see who's in those sessions and actually be able to interact with those people. Over to the right, we're going to have our appointments. Now, appointments are going to be things like strategy sessions. They're going to be like sales meetings. Potentially, you'll have some one-on-one personal training in there, depending how you set things up for your session type. But basically, when you have a session type that has appointment set up there, they'll show up on the right. If they're set up with class schedule, they'll be set up on the left. And then at the bottom, you'll have some quick action buttons, booking a client into a session, booking an appointment with a contact, creating a new session schedule, viewing and editing your session schedule, view print session schedule. So yeah, you can print these out hard copy once you have them done, and then edit the session types themselves. It's just going to take you back to your billing settings for session types. So that's kind of the orientation for the scheduling overview. Next, we have the booking calendar. So this is going to be a calendar view. This will populate, and we'll go back into some videos as we build things out. But you'll be able to see a rolling agenda, which will just give you a list of your sessions by time down below. You'll get a weekly view, a 3-day view, and a by-day view relative to that. Again, you'll have some quick actions here. You can book a session, book an appointment, create a new session schedule, view and edit, view and print. You get the idea. Lastly, we'll have our scheduling reports. So we'll have an updated client visit report, an updated sessions report, an appointments report, and the signed waiver report. So again, this is all going to be based off of whether you need a waiver. So go back to your scheduling settings for that item. All right. So that is kind of the overview. We'll start to go through individual aspects of scheduling. We'll see you there.